Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your account with Charles Schwab, detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your account with Charles Schwab, start by gathering your account information. Make sure you have your account number and personal identification ready. Next, log into your Charles Schwab account using your credentials. Navigate to the Help section in the main menu. Look for the Contact Us option to find customer service information. You can also call Schwab's customer service at 1-800-435-4000. Once connected, ask the representative for assistance with closing your account. Be prepared to verify your identity by answering security questions. If you have multiple accounts, specify which one you wish to close. The representative will provide you with any outstanding balances or pending transactions. Make sure to address any open trades or investments before proceeding. Once your account is confirmed for closure, you'll receive a confirmation email. Follow any additional instructions provided by the representative. If preferred, you can also submit a written request to cancel your account. Send your request to the address specified on Schwab's website. Keep a copy of your cancellation request for your records. After submitting your request, monitor your email for any follow-up correspondence. Finally, ensure that you have downloaded any important documents before the account is officially closed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.